Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 3. Video part 3. Question number 29. X is a multiple of 9 if x is greater than 22,914 and smaller than 22,930. Then find the value of x. Okay. We have to find the multiple of 9 which is in between 22,914 to 22,930. Okay. So we can check all the numbers are in between these. So let's check these numbers are multiple of 9 or not. Option A. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Add all the digits. 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5. So it will be your 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 9, 19. It won't be divisible by 9. Option B. 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. It will be divisible. Option C, we can check. We know answer is B, but still we should check. 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7. That is your 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 9. It will be your 22. Not divisible by 9. Option D, 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9. This is your 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 24, which is also not divisible by 9. So option B will be the correct answer. 29th answer is option B. Okay. Okay. Question 30. Two wires of 60 meter and 72 meter long are to be cut into small pieces such that each piece of both wires is equal in length. Okay. Find the minimum possible length of a piece the wire could be cut off. It means the 60 meter wire and 72 meter wire, both wires are cut into the small pieces. Okay? But 60 meter wire are cut differently and 72 meter wire are cut differently. But the length of the all small pieces should be equal. So the length should be the highest common factor between these two numbers. Okay, highest common factor will divide both the number, and that number, the wire can be cut into that number of pieces. Okay, so let's find the HCF. 72, 60, 1 za, 62, 1. Now 60 will be dividend, 5 are 60. So answer will be your 12. 12 is the common length. Option number D. 30 answer is option D. 31. What are the prime factors of 51? Write the prime factors of 51. 51, 1 will be, it is an odd number, cannot be divisible by 2. But 5 plus 1, 6 will be divisible by 3. All the even numbers cannot divide any odd number. Okay? So any even number will not be its factor. If we check, so there will be 17 and then 51. We know 1 is a unique number. It is neither prime nor composite. 51 is the composite number. So 3 and 17 are the number which are prime factors. Option A. 31 answer is option A. Question number 32. Write 69 as the product of two or more prime numbers. So let's check it with the example only. We can see in the option A, 23 and 3 both are the prime number and its product is 69. Here 6 is the composite number. Here 27 is the composite number. Here 21 is the composite number. And its product is also not equal to the 69. That's why we will go with option A. 32nd answer is option A. 33rd answer. Find the distinct prime factors of 144. So let's factorize it. 2 sevens are, 2 twos are, 2 sixes are, 2 threes are, and 2 sixes are. 2 threes are, 2 sixes are, again 2 ones are, 8s are, again 2 nines are, again 3 threes are. So we can see only two prime numbers are there, that is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is the distinct prime factors, option A. 33rd answer is option A. Question number 34. Which two numbers are the factors of 44? Simple it is, 11 and 4. That are the only two numbers. Because 11, 3 cannot be, 3 is not the factor of 44. 5 is not the factor of 44. 3 is not the factor of 44. Option A. 34th answer is option A. Question number 35. Which number is a factor of 9? Factor of 9 is your 1, 3 and 9 only. So 1, 3 and 9, so we can write 3 is available here. So 3 is the factor. 35th answer is option B. Question number 36. Which number is multiple of 7? So 62 does not come in the table of 7. Multiple of 7 means the number which come in the table of 7. 21 does not come. 45, no. 49 will come, yes. 36 answer will be option D. 37. Which number is a multiple of 6? 6, no, not divisible. Not divisible. Yes, divisible. Not divisible. 37th answer is option C. 38. What are the first two multiple of 12? The first two multiple means 12 multiplied by 1. 12 ones are and 12 twos are. 12 and 24. Option available in the A. No, no, no. 38th answer is option A. Okay. 39. Find all the factors of 18. Let's write it. 1 is the factor of 18. 2 is the factor of 18. 3 is the factor of 18. 1, 2, 3. 6 are 18. Okay. Now 4 is not the factor. 5 is not the factor. 6 is the factor. Now we found the rainbow. This should be now like this. So 9s are now and then 18s are. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Option A. 39th answer is option A. 40. What is the name of the term which completely divides the other number? Name of the term which completely divides the other number. That is your factor. 40 answer is A. Factor is the term which divides the other number completely. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.